Is your iPhone's front camera not working? No worries, I'm here to help. In today's video, we'll explore some simple and effective solutions to get that front camera back up and running. So let's jump right into it. Before we start, let's check for any hardware issues with your iPhone's front camera. First, open the App Store. Then type in Check My Device. Go ahead and install this app. After that, tap to open the app. Now, scroll down. Find the camera settings. Open it up. Try snapping a few pictures with your front camera and see what happens. If it doesn't work, that likely means there is a hardware issue. But don't worry, you can still try the following steps to solve your problem. Solution 1. Force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle for iPhones without a home button, or double-click the home button for iPhones with a home button. Find the camera app and swipe it up to close it. Now, reopen the camera app and see if your front camera is working. After that, restart your iPhone and check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Switch between cameras. Open the camera app. Tap the camera switch button to toggle between the front and back cameras a few times. Check if the front camera starts working after switching. Solution 3. Enable lens correction. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on Camera, then scroll down. Find the lens correction option. Make sure to turn it on. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on General. Tap Software Updates. If there is any update available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check to see if the front camera is functioning. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. After resetting, check if the front camera issue is fixed. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix your iPhone's front camera when it's not working. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.